In this lecture, we will going to talk about the POS and SOP used in the digital electronics.
Product of sum. Okay, so that stands for the POS. POS. So product of the sum means you are taking the product of any sum. So you have got sum and you are multiplying it as a. Okay, so let's say if I have got, I can write the expression like this. First, I have to write a sum. Sum means it can be x plus y or y plus z. This is the sum. Do you agree? Okay, if I do the product of this, so I can write it as x plus y dot y plus z. So this expression x plus y and y plus z means sum, you have got a sum, product of sum. Okay, so you are doing the product of sums. Similarly, we have got a sum of product. We have got a sum of product which is known as the SOP. Which is known as the SOP. So in this, what you have to do? You have to take product. You have to take a product. Let's say AB. This is a product, or let's say or BC. Okay, and you have to do the sum of it. That means AB plus BC. So this can be your sum of product and product of sum. So whenever we are talking about sum of product, I am writing only short form. Whenever we are talking about the sum of product, what we are trying to do, that whatever the logic circuit we have got. So let me move to the previous slide only where we are using. Okay. So if suppose I have got any logic circuit, suppose this is my logic circuit. So I can get the output from the logic circuit either in the form of 0 or in the form of 1. So I can use the expression in the form of 0 or in the form of 1. Do you agree or not? Any circuit, if I have got a logic circuit, I can have an expression in the form of zeros or 1. Okay, so if I am using 0 for any circuit, if I am using 0, if I am using 0 as an to build our circuit or 1 as a circuit, so based on this 0 and 1, we are classifying this circuit either if I am using a 0. Okay, if I am using a 0, so it will be a product of sum. Okay, this will be your product of sum, POS. That means the main role played in the circuit will be of 0. If I am using any circuit in which the main role is being played by 1, it will be known as the SOP. So you can see, if I change POS, I will take a reverse of this. I just rotate it, it will going to become SOP. So this is, that means if I take a complement of 0, it will going to become 1. And when I take a complement of 1, it will become a 0. And if you see the name POS and SOP, just reverse it. Okay, POS can become a SOP. Is it clear? Whenever the expression is given to you, you can easily identify either the expression is in the form of a POS or SOP. So if I have written the expression y at the top, x plus y, y plus z, and in the left side I have written y equal to AB plus BC. So can you tell me in which circuit 0 will going to play a main role and 1 will play a main role? Okay, so if I am talking about this one, let's say I am taking it as a 1 and 2. So if I ask you with respect to 1 and 2, 0 and 1 and 1 and 2. Okay, 0 and 1, that means you have to, whatever the thing you will be having, 0 will be in this will be a main role, and in this 1 will be having a main role. And you have solved this also. Till now, when you have come with this, you have seen it with the help of a operation which you have done. Now coming to this SOP. So when we are saying that SOP, we are writing for the logic output 1 only. Okay, so let's say if I have an example. Suppose I have a y equal to ABC. Okay, ABC plus A bar BC plus, let's say, AB C bar. Okay, so I have told you that main role of is being played by the in this by the 1. So I can write this term as 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, and this as 1, 1, 0. Okay, so what will be the equivalent of this? Can you tell me? What will be the equivalent of this? What will be the equivalent of this? What is the equivalent of this? First, we have got 1, 1, 1, that is 7. This will be your 3, and this will be your 4, 2, 6. So, how you will going to write? These are known as your mean term. So, in SOP term, each individual term is known as the mean term. So this is the mean term. ABC is one of the mean term. A bar B C is one of the mean term. A B C bar is one of the mean term. And how you are representing? You will going to represent it like with summation m. This is small m equal to what you have got? You have got 3, 6, and 7. And if I solve this example, y, that is I will going to minimize it. Okay, so the resultant of this my y, let's say it will going to come as AB plus BC. My resultant come out to be AB plus BC. You can check it. So this is known as the minimal SOP. Okay, so let me make you clear what this minimal SOP is. Suppose you have got y equal to ABC plus A bar BC plus ABC. Okay, so right now to represent your y, how many mean terms you have used? You have used 3 mean terms. And now what you want? You want to reduce your hardware. You want to optimize your code. So you want that my circuit should be compact. We should not use so much circuits, because you can see that if I take this ABC, I have to multiply this ABC. So I required a gate circuit. Let's say AND gate circuit. Then I have to add this. Okay, then I require OR gate circuit. Then again I have to require NOT gate because A bar is not. Okay, so I require that. You are getting my point? So let's take an example of it. You can see in this I required my NOT gate also. I required OR gate also. I required AND gate also. But if I have solved this one, required OR gate only, and I required AND gate only. And you can see if I take only example here, how many OR gate I required? Let's say here plus 1 plus means 2 OR gate. But here what I have done, I have minimized my expression, so I required only 1 OR gate. So you can see that's why it is known as the minimal SOP. So what we are doing, we are reducing the hardware structure that is used to realize this expression. So similarly, in the same way, if I write reverse of it, okay, that means product of sum. Right now I have written SOP, and now I will be writing product of sum. So in this POS, who will be playing a main role? Your 0 will be playing a main role. So let's say if I take a Y, and you know the circuit in this, we will have to write A plus B plus C like this. So I will going to take A plus B plus C. Then let's say you can see we have taken A bar B C. So we will going to take A bar B C. And now why I am writing the same expression, so you can see how SOP has been converted into the POS. Then A plus B plus C bar. Initial SOP expression was like this, that we have a Y equal to ABC plus A bar BC plus A B C bar. And now you can see that I have converted what? I have replaced my dot with the plus and plus with the dot. So what I have done, I have replaced it. Here it was my dot. It was supposed to be my dot. So I have replaced that dot with plus and this plus with dot. So my expression, SOP expression, change into the POS expression. And if what I have to do, I have to write like this 0, 0, 0. Okay, that means A will be represented by here with the help of 0. Okay, you are getting my point? Now here A will be represented by 0 and A bar will be represented by 1. So this will be a 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1. Okay. So what will be this 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 1 will be? Can you tell me? 0, 0 will be your 0, 1, 0, 0 will be your 4 and 0, 0, 1 will be your 1. So this will be your 0, this will be your 4 and this will be your 1. So you will going to represent this with the help of expression. There you have done a summation of expression. See, you have done a summation. What? Because why you have used this summation? Because you were adding these. You were adding these. So you have to use the summation. Here what you are doing? You are multiplying these. So to multiply, what we have to use? We have to use a pi, capital pi. For multiplication, we have to use a capital pi like this. Okay, the symbol stands for the multiplication. And there you have used what? There you have used a small m. So here you will be using a capital. And what will be your expression? Your expression will be 0, 1, 4. In the previous slide, this was known as the mean term. So it will be known as your max term. So I'm just correlating because you don't have to by heart this thing. If I ask you to write 13 in the POS form, what will be the answer? You know that we have to write it in the form of 8, 4, 2, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So if you have to write it in the form of POS form, so in POS 1 will be represented by bar, A bar. This will be, you will represent as a B bar. You can represent it as a C, and you can represent it as a D bar. So what will be your answer? A bar plus B bar plus C plus D bar. 11, if you want to write the 11, so what will be the 11 according to 8, 4, 2, 1? 8, 2, 1. Okay, so what will be the answer? A bar, B, C bar, D bar. And please don't forget to put a plus symbol here. I am writing a function AB, a truth table, okay, in which I have got A, I have got B, and I have got the output Y. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. And suppose my output was like this, I have got an output like 0, 0, 0, 1. Don't consider it as a gate, you consider that this is some example is given to you. This is some truth table which is given to you. So if I ask you to write the expression in the SOP form, and you have to write it in the form of POS, so what will be the solution? So let's say if I am asking with respect to SOP. So SOP means this, you have to do this. So what you can write? You can write the expression y equal to, you will be getting 1. Where you are getting 1? You are getting the 1 where it is A and B. Because in SOP, one player main role. So you will be getting the expression y equal to AB. This is your 0. This is your 1. This is your 2. This is your 3. So can I write it like this? Summation m equal to 3. If I take another role, so let's say if I talk with respect to POS, you can see in POS main role is being played by the 0. So in this, what you can see in this POS, main role is being played by 0. So whenever we are getting the 0, we will going to take that answer. That means I will going to take this answer, I will going to take this answer, I will going to take this answer. So what will be my y? Whenever we are representing 0, it will be represented by the A. So this expression will going to be your A plus B. This will be equal to your A plus B bar, and this will be equal to A bar plus B. So the answer will be A plus B, because 0 will be represented by A plus B bar and A bar plus B. Here we have used a summation, here we will use a pi, capital M, and where we are getting 0, 1 and 2. From here we are getting one relation. Okay, so what the relation, if you can see that if I take this one expression summation m, I have got 3 here. So what will be this pi m will be equal to 0, 1 and 2. Can you see? Can you verify it? That means if you have the relation like this, that what will be the SOP if you are taking a complement of it in a POS form, you will get this answer.